In this tutorial, we're going to be going through the Instagram feed add-on, which showcases your Instagram feed on your store, specifically on product pages and home pages. So the first step is to create a Facebook app. Go to developers.facebook.com, click My Apps, and create a new app. Step 2, configure Instagram Basic Display. Locate the Instagram Basic Display product and click Set Up to add it to your app. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Create New App. In the form that appears, complete each section using the guidelines below. Display name. Enter the name of the Facebook app you just created. Valid OAuth redirect URLs. Enter your website's URL. Normally, this would be a dedicated URL that can capture redirect query string parameters, but for this tutorial, your website's URL will be fine. For example, www.debutifydemostore.com. Deauthorize callback URL. Enter your website's URL again. Eventually, you will have to change this to a URL that can handle deauthorization notifications, but for the purposes of this tutorial, you can reuse your website URL. Data deletion request callback URL. Enter your website's URL once again, just like the deauthorized callback URL. You will eventually have to change this to a URL that can handle data deletion requests, but for now, you can reuse your website URL. And then step 3, generate the token. Step 4, add the token to Instagram add-on settings. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.